from how I see it is this way. So you start off with like every single item. So um, what you're gonna have is at the start is like 1 2, and then like the base thing is basically um, 0 and 3. And the first thing that you ask between 0 3 and 1 2 is this question over here. Alright, so this thing is like operation z, that you ask that, okay, it's my n value. So when I talk about n, it's basically um, the rulebook gave it to me, and you compare it that if it's like if it's less than equals like the in array start. So what this basically means is that you're comparing, like maybe say this n value with the start of an item, and if you're saying that if it's less than, that means it's going towards these values, and what this just means is just like irrelevant, and what we want is that it to be relevant, and it has to be more than like this starting value for as such. And the next question is also to actually ask like it's basically operation y, which is that is my starting from, say, the rulebook, is it more than your in arrays ending. So what this actually means is that is this. So this is my start of my rulebook, right? So this is, say, the end of the in array, right? Whatever is like more than, it's gonna like be irrelevant, and whatever's like inside before the end, it's gonna be like the relevant items. And if you were to see both z and y, what they are very much interested is like is operation e, which is that they want to be relevant. They want values that is relevant to be stay on relevant. Right? So we ask the question, does this fit into the in array? And obviously it does. So we're going to try to actually expand it. We combine it together. So we'll form a 0, and we'll form, say, a 3 over here. And now like we're gonna like ask the question, does 0 3 and 3 4 kind of like coincide with like the same operation? And it does fit into the criteria. So we're gonna head on to expand it to become 0 to 4. And now the next question is gonna ask this. So like we constantly am gonna like operation z y e, and one more operation which is like operation o. operation O is like asking that, okay, do we throw into the result system already? Like, we don't, because the only time that we throw into the result system is when we calculate finish all the all in array. Because you may not know who are we living out with, so until we calculate all the in array, then we throw into the system saying, okay, guy number 1 and guy number 2 throw you into the system, and that's how we actually end off like the question over here. So yeah, it's just looking forward, like, is this logic part of like the bigger concept of like things, or am I missing something? So looking forward for the next few questions. Everything comes to an end.